Good morning, dolls, and welcome to Little Gretchen's workshop. So really quick before I get to the unboxing today, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you. I want to say a big warm welcome to all my new subscribers, and I want to just give a virtual hug to those of you all who have been with me from the very beginning through all the ups and downs of building this channel and creating this community here on YouTube. I just want to tell you thank you. And I'm looking forward to all the new subscribers who are going to join as I continue on this journey. But I'm so grateful for this season of my life and just this opportunity here on YouTube to be able to share what I love with other people who love and appreciate what I do. So I just had to say that before I get started. And I also want to just say thank you in advance for just your kind generosity. You all sending me supplies and things to help me along my way, even supporting me on my eBay store and letting me know that you're enjoying the things that I'm creating here on the channel and the things that I create that I sell. So let me stop talking before I get emotional because you dolls know how I do. But again, I just wanted to say thank you personally. I appreciate you all. So let's get to the unboxing. So here I'm going to start with my first box here, and I can already see that this gift is from my precious doll, Teresa V. Now, dolls, I get packages in all shapes and sizes, but I learned a long time ago that really wonderful things come in small packages. And I've got a letter here, so dolls, give me a moment so I can read the letter really quick. One moment. So, dolls, in the letter, Teresa says she's been playing with 3D printing and printing on canvas, and she made me a few pieces of art that she thinks I could use in my houses. She also said that she made a couple of duplicates because I might want to use the same ones in different houses. So I'm so excited. And she also ended with saying that hopefully these little gifts can bring me some of the joy that my videos bring to her. So, dolls, at this point, I'm pretty nervous right now because after a letter like that, you know something amazing is inside. Teresa, before I move forward, I just want to thank you in advance for your kind, encouraging words. But let me go ahead and see what's inside. Oh my goodness. It's a little cash register, dolls. Wait a minute. This is really cute. Look how cute that is. Trying to stay in frame. That is adorable, and I just love the detail that's on this. Oh, ooh, the little drawer opens, and it's got little sections in the little drawer thing. Oh my goodness. I think I may have to swap out the one that's in the dress shop and use that and save the other one for something else. Oh my goodness. Oh, all the tiny accessories. Oh, it's like baking things. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. So we got rolling pins. Okay. Uh-oh, don't roll away. We got like 5 rolling pins. Oh, it's like a little bottle of oil here. That's really nice. And then this is, oh, it's like a little gingerbread man baking sheet. Ooh, like 2 gigantic eggs. That would be fun to make a story behind that. A little whisk. Now I needed that. I planned on making one and I haven't. So now I don't have to. And a cutting board. And oh, look at this lovely spoon. Now that could either be like a spoon or like the spoon that you rest something on the stove. And look at this. This is adorable. Oh my goodness, it's an iron. And you know, dolls, as much as I don't like to iron, I love irons. They are so cute in a dollhouse. Uh-oh, stopped ironing a long time ago. I probably only have 10 things in my whole wardrobe that actually have to be ironed. Everything else, I just figure when I put the clothes on, the wrinkles will leave. Okay, look at that. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. Thank you. Ah. And what is this? Oh, These are cracked eggs. Look at that. Look at that. That is adorable. Okay, let me leave those right there. And I think, you know what? I think I'll put the eggs in here. I don't want them to roll away because that would be tragic. Okay, so that there. Let's see here. Oh, wow. Oh! Oh my gosh! It's Big Ma, dolls. Oh my goodness, can you dolls see this? It's a picture, it's a frame picture of Big Ma. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Dolls, I wasn't ready. See, this is what I mean. This is what I mean. I was afraid, like, can you dolls see this? It's a picture of Big Ma. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. It's popping Miss Betty, dolls. I, I don't even know what to say. Okay, I'm going to try to open everything and then lay it out so you dolls can see it. I am just, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And dolls, it's just so many in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh, oh my dolls. Can you see this? It's a picture of the dolls and the doll community. Oh, it looks like it's painted on velvet. This is so beautiful. I This is more than I could have ever imagined. Like when you said 3D printed, I don't even know what I thought. Oh, I don't even. Dolls, I'm sorry. I feel like this video is going to be really long because I don't even know what to do. But there's no way for me to go through this quickly. That's a picture of SAIDI and Marguerite on their wedding day. Oh my goodness. These are breathtaking. Look at it, JD. Oh gosh. Oh, I'm just weak over here. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I will be crying myself to sleep. Yeah, the joy is unbelievable. Okay, so these two are similar, the same print, but they're in different frames. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm just overwhelmed. Oh my God. So she did a print of my daddy. That's him in his uniform when he was in the service. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I don't even know how to thank you right now. I don't even know what to say. Oh my goodness. Dolls, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. Oh, I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that. This is a picture of Pop. Oh, Oh, another picture of Daddy. And this is a precious picture of Daddy, the way he looked before he went home. This is a picture of Isabel. That's beautiful. That's very nice. That's before I changed her clothes. Oh. So this was a picture of Miss Fountain, one of the ladies I always have holding the baby. Oh my goodness. That's too precious. And that's SAIDI and Marguerite again. I feel like I don't know where I'm putting the camera. Oh, this is wonderful. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to get my glasses for this one. I can't make out who that is. Uh-oh. Oh, that's Aunt Charlotte and Uncle Barley. I can tell that one. Oh my goodness, this is and that's Uncle Benny and Aunt Vera. That is so cool. This is too much. And it's a classic shot of Aunt Bess. That is just too much. Oh my goodness, this is wonderful. Oh, and this is a beautiful picture. This is Marguerite and her dad on their wedding day. That is outdone yourself. I don't know. I don't know. This just takes the cake. I'm gonna have to just take a nap. Yeah, I'm not gonna take a nap. Oh, this is lovely. Now this is Miss Violet and Albert. So that would be a really nice gift for them to put in their room. Oh my goodness, this is oh my goodness. This is Isabel and her family, and did sort of like a different back outdoor scene behind them. Isn't that adorable? Oh, this is off the charts. I don't even know. Oh my goodness. Oh, and this is Aunt Charlotte. That's Aunt Charlotte before I changed her dress. That is so cute. I have to put that with Uncle Barley's things. Oh, that's so crazy. This is overwhelmingly. Oh, oh! There she got the kissing picture of SAIDI and Marguerite on their wedding day. Dolls. Oh my goodness. I am over the top. I know I sound like I'm repeating myself, but I don't know what to say. This is unbelievable. This is incredible. This is absolutely, oh my goodness. I just have really no words to express how grateful I am and how special this gift is to me. I'm just really, wow. Okay, dolls, I'm gonna have to stop the camera. I just feel like this box just needs a moment of silence because I don't even know what to say. I'm so grateful and so overwhelmed at how amazingly beautiful and precious all these pictures are. And then for you to do these two lovely pictures of my daddy, like, oh my goodness. Okay, dolls, I'm going to stop and then we'll go on. Teresa, I appreciate you and thank you from the bottom of my heart. But thank you doesn't adequately express how grateful I am right now. Blessings to you.